Want to unlock the secret to faster weight loss? Try apple cider vinegar, the natural solution that boosts your metabolism and helps burn fat. Here's why apple cider vinegar is so powerful. It suppresses appetite, helping you eat less. It boosts metabolism and encourages fat burning. It regulates blood sugar, preventing cravings. And it aids digestion, keeping your body in balance. Apple cider vinegar works because it contains acetic acid, which not only helps control hunger but also breaks down fat more effectively. It's like giving your metabolism a natural boost. Here are 3 simple ways to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Morning drink. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with water, lemon, and honey for a detox boost every morning. Salad dressing. Mix ACV with olive oil and herbs for a healthy, low-calorie dressing. Pre-meal shot. Take a diluted ACV shot before meals to reduce cravings. Remember to always dilute ACV with water to protect your teeth and stomach. Start small and build up as your body adjusts. Try it today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weight loss tips and healthy recipes.